Hey, what's going on, guys? Arthur Early here, and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get free leads into your high-ticket affiliate marketing system. But before I go ahead and start, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and smash that bell notification, guys, all right? So you know when I'm launching brand new videos to show you how to level up your affiliate marketing business. All right, guys, so this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly step by step how to get leads into your high ticket business. Guys, this is the high ticket business that I'm currently promoting right now. Okay. It's by David. He is the creator. I'm just an affiliate. Now I'm going to show you what I've been getting into my business, guys. So as you can see here, I'm having referrals come in every single day. All right, this system is absolutely on fire, guys. I'm just going to show it to you real quick. Also, I'm not only going to show you my success in this business, but I'm going to also show you other people that are winning with this system. This is the Facebook group right here, guys. So as you can see, another $2,000 commission. All right, another $2,000 commission. Here we go, guys. The commissions are coming in every single day, as you can see. $2,000 commission, guys. This system is absolutely on fire, and I'm going to show you exactly how to get free leads into this business. So pay close attention. This is going to be a very, very quick video. All right, guys. The first website that you want to go to, guys, is going to be right here. It's classified ads. All right, this gets a lot of traffic. All right, so what you're going to want to do real quick, guys, is go right here. All right, to classifiedads.com. Once you're in there, you're going to go ahead and post an ad for free. Like I said, free leads. You got to select a category. You got to go to jobs. The subcategory is going to be business opportunities. Now, you have to take a look at the largest cities out there, the most populated cities, guys, and you want to break it down by the largest populated cities, which I did for you right here. So, obviously, New York is largely populated, California, Texas. All right, so I'm going to start out right here with San Antonio, Texas. All right, and I'm just going to go ahead and pop that right into the classified ad that I have right here. All right, and then we're going to go here. And then we're just going to go ahead and select the ad, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and create this ad real quick. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so instead of doing the ad, I'm going to actually show you how to create the ad. And with the system that I'm currently promoting, they give you an ad. So right here, where it says email ads, it's email ads, guys. You could select one of these, right here, one of these titles, copy, and you're going to go right here, back to it, and you're going to paste it right in. All right. And now you're going to go to the email body, go back to the ad, and just post it right in there. Okay, and what you could actually do with this system is they have tags. So you could actually tag the actual name, and you can actually see exactly where the traffic is coming from. So what you want to do is CA, I'm going to put for classified ad. Okay, and then your name, email address, the email address again, all this good information. San Antonio, that's the city that I went ahead and chose, expired in 6 months, right? And then what you want to do is you want to add an image. For whatever reason, these classified ads get a lot higher attention when they have a some kind of image. So what I like to put is like a work from home image. So I'm gonna just real quick pause this video and grab that. All right, guys. So here's the image. And the image that you want to kind of look for is a work from home, only because that's the time we're in. Everybody wants an opportunity to work from home, work from right from their laptop. So you want to go ahead and have something that's going to say work from home. Also, guys, up here where it says asking price, we're going to put free because you don't have to pay for ads. All right. And the great thing about these ads, guys, is that you could list as many as you want and as many cities as you want, and it's just free traffic. And these ads, these classified ads, get a lot of attention because look, remember, you're looking on jobs, work from home, business opportunities, and that's what people are looking for these days, guys. So once again, guys, I'm going to put all the links below to the system that I recommend, guys, which is this one right here. All right, and also you got to watch this webinar. It's going to be very, very helpful for you to set it up. For those of you that haven't heard of it, Profits Passport, it's an absolute amazing system. People, as I showed you, are winning with this system every day. So once again, the link for classified ads is going to be below the video. The link if you want to join me in this opportunity that I'm showing people how to get free leads is going to be down there. And you can get your leads every day, guys. So we'll see you on the next one. All right. I hope this video helped. Bye for now.